Today, we're going to be looking at blood, and yes, this is human blood, but don't worry, no humans were really hurt in the making of this video. So let's get under the microscope and see what this looks like. Alright, so we are now under the microscope, and here is our 4x magnification. We're going to work our way from 4x all the way up to 100x, and so this is our 4x. And it looks like the blood is flowing, and that's because I put a cover slide on top of it, and it's pushing the blood to the sides of the cover slide, making it look like it's flowing. This is probably what it looks like in our bodies, but probably much faster. Here is the 10x. You can start to see the individual red blood cells a little bit better. And again, it still looks like it's flowing. Anyway, super fascinating. If you're enjoying today's video, please remember to subscribe and support the channel by doing so, and comment below what you would like to see on the microscope. This is not the end of the video, but I wanted to say thank you all for all the support you've given me. I am now at over 200 subscribers. Huge jump for me. Thank you so much. Let's now move to the 40x. Here we go, 40x. I'm going to try and get a better view here. There we go. This is our 40x magnification, and you can see individual red blood cells pretty well here. So each of these little round circles is a red blood cell. And I'm just playing with the contrast of light to kind of get a better view of our individual red blood cells. A lot of them are clumped together in clusters. Anyway, let's head over to our 100x now and see what our red blood cells look like. Here is our 100x now. You can see the red blood cells very well, each individual cell. Pretty awesome. They're all clustered and kind of stuck together. But each of those little loops is a red blood cell. Anyway, I hope you found today's video as fascinating as I did. I thought this was awesome, and I hope you did too. Again, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like and subscribe and comment below what you'd like to see on the microscope. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.